Welcome back, adventurers. We're here at the Ponce Inlet Lighthouse. If you have subscribed to the channel, you'll have seen that video. But now we're going to go ahead across the street to the Pacetti Hotel. Bertolo Pacetti, he actually owned the land that the Ponce Inlet Lighthouse is on right now, and he sold it for about $400 so that he could renovate his house into a hotel. So we're gonna go walk across the street and check that hotel out, so join us. So there's a little pathway right there. What should people do? You're planning on to go? Where are you walking? Are you gonna go as we try to cross the road? There's plenty of room back there.
I think there's a little entrance on the other side.
There was. So here's a little sign here for the Constance D. Hunter Historic Pacetti Hotel Museum. It's a nice little walkway in between the lighthouse and the hotel. Technically, there's actually a walkway, so we're trying to walk on that. So we'll enjoy a little walk, and we'll see you in a few moments over at the hotel. This is the historic grill. The small structure ahead is a historic outdoor grill, no longer in use, but was created in the late 1930s, possibly with WPA labor during Olivia Gamble's restoration of the site. And it is the typical type of stone used, known as Florida fieldstone. Very cool, very cool. And did that say also Gamble Properties? Other Gamble Properties. I remember that name, but I can't remember why and where I heard that from. Yeah, but I feel like there's a Gamble plantation somewhere. I don't forget where. So there's some garages back over yonder. The water tower right there. And you can't actually come in right over there and be able to park. We actually went in through the hotel, through the lighthouse, and just walked over. Could have been a tennis green. And there's the view that the front of the hotel had out to the water. There's even a little dock out there. Very pretty. Oh yeah, and oh wow. I've never seen one up that high. Let's walk down that for a second. Yeah, that sandbar is very close. Probably hasn't always been that way. And we're modern. Some of the more original seawall for sure. A lot of plane activity today. Oh, that's very cool. Notice that they have the little dock. I bet this would be fantastic for weddings. You know, arrive on boat and walk up to the property. That'd be pretty cool. But enough looking at the water. Let's go. Oh, it's just so cool. I gotta take a picture. And a plane. And a plane. So this is everywhere the Crotons have died. All of them. It is awful, awful, awful. I have not been. Video will start in about 20 minutes. We're on the ground floor. Ooh, some cool hats. A flower visor, a safari hat.
Have a 10-minute video right here. You care to see it?
Oh, sure. Check these hats out again. Very cool derby hats. World's Fair's Scarf cool wristwatches. Pacetti Hotel ties from the 1970s. Very cool. Oh, a little bathroom. Closet bathtub. Pacetti Hotel monogrammed towels. So if you stole them, everyone knew where they came from. The cute little, I mean, that would fit Mom and Dad's bathroom. That's a perfect size little cabinet. It's very cute. That's the old curling iron. That's fun. Soap saver, razor boxes, Colgate shaving mug soap. Very neat. All right, well, let's see what else we can see here in the museum. Oh, that's the significance. There we go. Nice little stairs. So you come to this little landing that you can go one of two ways. We'll go this way. So a nice room. Writing desk. Coat rack with a little bench. Nice views out of the water from this room. So each room tells a little bit about some of the people, and this room's telling about the men who had a part in the Pacetti Hotel. So Bertola, Gomez, Jesse Lindsay, Bert, Pacetti. I was going to say Pacetti, but it's Pacetti. Nice room, or view out of this front room of the hotel. You can see the old style window mechanisms right there. Very cool. This has been a great view out there. Ooh, pretty chill. And these are nice sized rooms. It's not a bad size at all. Ooh, some different things from like Busch Gardens, because you would do water sports out here. So, I said Busch Gardens, Cypress Gardens. So, water skiing probably would have been a feature. That would have been something people would have done. Because they're out there right now on kayaks and little things. Some different board games. Oh, Scrabble. Oh, they did the to say Pacetti, and then over there says hotel. Very cool. Oh, a little Crazy Eights game. Really cool. Aggravation. Ooh, Racerama. We need to find Racerama. That'd be cool.
Old lamps and electric lamps.
Old lamps, yeah. We've got another room. This one talks about more of the women who were part of the Pacetti Hotel. Significance there. A nice dressing table. So some hairbrushes down there. Compact hairpins. Some perfume, powders. So Ida Lindsay, Olivia Gamble. Learning a little bit about these people as we walk around the hotel. But yeah, very nice rooms, very nice floors. It's a very nicely laid out hotel. Go back to this room to know how to go up and down the stairs. Oh, but here are some details about the cracker architecture. There were 3 underground cisterns, which is pretty cool. And the Reds would come and visit here. So some history of them.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, all kinds of cool things in there. Nice.
There's a bunch of baseball stuff in that back one.
I saw that. It was pretty cool. Oh yeah, the So they're a nicely sized bedroom. That's not bad at all. Bed. Nice headboard. Oh, some hand fans. Some clothes. Some signs. Bats.
So the people that ran this owned the Cincinnati Road.
Some trunks that had storage in there. Samsonite hat box, radio, nice dress, a tourister suitcase.
Yeah, that's one of them.
I like how they took this old door and put glasses in it.
Yeah.
Another room setup. Ooh, old style dress. Some Richard Petty Pepsi bottles.
And a signed Richard Petty clock.
Oh, nice. Oh, there's lighthouses on all the buttons. That's from her dress. Oh, that's pretty. And then some different clothes. Each of these rooms shows like a different little bit of era. Of course, they have information here about the Cincinnati Reds because for a little while, the owner of the Cincinnati Reds owned the hotel and turned it into a private residence. And here are some seats from Crosley Field. It became, Crosley Field was the first place to have a night game under lights. And President FDR actually flipped the switch to turn those lights on. Some tickets, different signed balls, compress, others. Ooh, an old style hat. That's cool. Some watches. Oh, nice. Oh, that is cool.
We've been renovating that next cycle.
Looks like it. That is so neat. The great views from the hotel, both of the lighthouse, of the beach, ocean. So let's head downstairs and see what else there is to see. So the hotel has 11 rooms. I didn't count all of those up there, but it's supposed to be 11. Let's see what else is down here.
What do you think?
It is very cool.
1884. Real nice.
Better than Forest today.
A lot better. These are moisture resistant and bug resistant.
Oh, wow.
As far as I know, the only place you could get them is South Florida.
Wow.
Now you can't.
Right, exactly. Crazy. It's different. Sporting, camping, hunting, fishing. We're done, so that's the right items from that. Here's the timeline of the Pacetti family. More fishing gear. Oh, big mayonnaise jar. Condiments. Oh, torpedo bottles.
Actually from the attic.
Yeah, that's what I heard him say, yeah. Food extracts, Hawaii flavors. What kind of flavors we got? We got almond. Can't read the other ones very well. All kinds of different jars, inkwells. Very neat. Oh, some long fishing rods. Dusky shark jaw. That is neat. That was caught in 1990. Oh, a nice big room. Oh, a piano. A Broadwood and Sons upright. It's not original, but it's similar to the model purchased by Martha Pacetti in 1904. Very neat. Very nice open room, lots of views. You can come over here to this window and right there's the lighthouse. And the lens is turning, so you can see the lens. Perfect. A nice timeline of the hotel you get to check out.
Where you find that?
Some different paintings. Food preparation. Ooh, that's cool. Sewing machine. Agitator, because you didn't used to be able to use a washing machine. You had to do it by hand. See some gaps in this floor, but it is, from my understanding, original floor. A white rotary sewing machine, a sewing box, a step to get into bed, ooh, the china, oh, a NASA mug up there, all kinds of cool things. Cutlery.
And they got the original bottles of singer oil.
Oh,
For the machine.
oh yeah.
They get the bottles.
I remember when they used to be metal.
Mhm.
I remember when they used to be metal.
Instead of
And they
plastic,
stopped doing that, yeah. Because I remember Mom used to have one. Oh, that is cool. That is neat. Very neat way they've been able to renovate it and keep it so everyone can see.
Where's the exit?
Yeah, I know. I always figured, look. So if you're looking for something to do along Daytona Beach, the Ponce Inlet area, definitely come and check out the lighthouse and the Pacetti Hotel. Just for reference, at this time, this is filmed in March of 2026, and the cost is $12 with taxes and things to be able to visit both the lighthouse and all the houses that they have there and this museum, hotel museum. So make sure to come and visit this, and we'll see you guys next time here on Ant on the Move.